Hey there, welcome back to our channel Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to log into WorkOtter. It's a very quick and simple step. All you gotta do is follow along and you will log in no time. First thing first, open up your preferred web browser. You can choose any web browser you'd like. I prefer Google Chrome, so let's type in Chrome. Very top you can see a search bar. Let's tap there and let's type in WorkOtter login and hit enter. And now make sure you tap into the official page. Visit this one right here and you'll be guided to the WorkOtter page. Since we cannot see any login option here, but you know what, you might see a 3-line bar at the very top, at the top right corner, right here. Let's tap in that. And you can see various options. At the very second last option, you can see client login. Let's tap in there. And see, you'll be logged into your login page. Let's zoom in a little bit. Now all you gotta do is fill in this field. Let's type in our company name. I'm tapping random number over here. Random words. You make sure you tap in the exact company name. Just type in your username and your password, of course. If you've forgotten your password, you don't need to worry at all. All you gotta do is tap in the forgot password option and it will help you through. So since we have already filled in all the necessary fields, all you gotta do now is hit that login button and you'll be logged into your WorkOtter account. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. If you want more helpful videos like this, do not forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Basics. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.